G'day students, I've started already on the top pivot, which we've changed the name, we've created a new drawing, and we're going to go straight into drawing this time. So first thing this time is a little bit different. We're going to grab the ruler and bring that across over into the work plane. Then we're going to grab ourselves a box. And we're going to put this in the work plane as well. And you'll notice there's a heap more numbers that come up this time. Don't get confused by them just yet. We're going to try and make sure we get this nice and sensible for you. So for this one, first thing we're going to do is roll over this little thing here. See how it says use midpoint? We're going to change that just by clicking on it to saying use endpoint. And the first thing we're going to do is change where the box is dimensioned. So this one here, this one needs to be 22.5. I'll explain why a bit later, probably in class. And this one here needs to be 35. So we've got that for starters. Then this needs to be 24. So we've changed the dimensions of the box so far. Now we need to change where it's placed. So this one, we're going to change that to 0, and we're going to change this one to 0 as well. And that means it's going to lock itself into this corner here. All right. Once we've got the box in place, we need to then add a cylinder. So the cylinder is going to be 35, the same as the other one that we've done. It's going to be 24 tall, and it's going to be 35 that way. And instead, sorry, while we've added here, it needs to be brought back to 0 here, so it's down on the same line as this one. And this needs to be brought back to 5. It just needs to be 5 millimeters longer there. Once we've got all that, then it's just a matter of clicking on that and making it a group. Okay, so that is now one solid piece. There's only one more piece we need to put into this, and it's a little hole. Remember, the holes so far that we've done have been 6 by 6 by 24. That'll go all the way through. Now we need to just move it so it's in exactly the right place here. So once again, we click on that and you can see these numbers here. This one will be needs to be 17.5. Oh, hang on. No, there's one little thing I've forgotten here. See here, it's still using endpoint. What we need to do now is click on it again so it changes to midpoint. So this now needs to be 17.5, and this one needs to be 22.5. And you'll see it'll come exactly into the right spot. If we click on all that and group it, which is this one here, that now becomes our part. Make sure it's saved by pressing TinkerCAD up the top here. It'll show down the bottom, saving your work, and we're done with that piece.